Hello everyone, so for this tutorial we are going to make a 3D logo. So first thing, there's two softwares that we're going to need for this tutorial. Number one is Adobe Illustrator and number two is 3ds Max. So first what we need to do is go to Google. Then let's just type the logo that you want. For this tutorial we're going to use Batman logo. So maybe let's choose this, and then let's just save this into a folder. Why don't we create a new one? So let's just name this as Batman 3D logo. Okay. Next up, let's open up Adobe Illustrator. Let's just close that. Okay. Now we have Adobe Illustrator open. Why don't we choose the file? Just go to File, Open. Then let's go to the folder that we just created, which is Batman 3D logo. Let's choose the file. Okay, now that we have that opened, first thing that you need to do is to select this. Select the image. Now go up here and just press Image Trace. Then press Expand to turn that into a vector logo. Okay, so what I do is select this arrow here, then choose this border, then just press delete. Now what we have is just the logo right here. Now next up is save that. Just need to save it. Choose the same folder, and let's just name this as Batman logo outline. Okay, so this one right here is very crucial. Make sure that on the version drop down menu you choose Illustrator 3. Press OK. OK again. Now that we have that saved as a vector file, now what we need to do is go to 3ds Max. So once we have 3ds Max open, let's just choose File, then Import, then choose the logo, search for the folder, then choose the logo outline that we did. Open that. Just choose single object. You can use multiple objects if you have multiple vector files, so that creates each individual splines or vector files individually. But for this case, since we just have one file, let's just choose single object. Okay, now why don't we just scale this up? Let's just make it bigger. Now as you can see, the edges aren't that smooth, right? So what we need to do is select this, then go to interpolation, and then just choose adaptive. Okay, so as you can see, now the spline or the line is very smooth. Second thing that we need to do is again go to the modify tab, and under the modifier list choose extrude modifier. Okay, see, now we have a 3D logo. So one thing that we can do is to step up the details a little bit, so we can actually bevel the edges. So you can just choose Edit Poly and just select the edge. Go to the side view. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the top line right here. And we're just going to add a bevel on that. So again, go to the Modify tab, and under the Edit Edges, just choose Chamfer. Click the box here to expand the settings, and just choose a very small amount. So for this one, we're going to choose 0.000, and for the details of the edges, just press 3, or however you like it. You can just experiment on this and just press check. There you go. Now we have a very detailed 3D logo of Batman emblem. So next step is just to choose your preferred render engine, whether it's V-Ray, Corona, or whatever, and just render this out. So that's it for today. Bye bye.